Hello, good afternoon, Leoneline. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Leoneline Legaspi. I'm single. I'm 38 years old and I'm working in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. Only finished my contract.
Okay. So, finish contract in Saudi Arabia. Okay, what are your what are your duties with your past employer?
DH po.
What is the specific duties that you do?
Cook and care the kids.
Okay. So, do you do ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
Laundry?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
May I know how old are the kids?
11 years old.
11 years old. Okay. So, 11 years old only. One kid only.
6.
6 and 11 years old. How many are the kids?
The kids is Lana, only 11.
Mm-hmm.
The other kids is maybe 20 plus.
Wow, okay. So, 6 and 11 years old. So, you do household work like laundry, washing clothes, cleaning,
Yes, ma'am.
like that. How about cooking? Only household chores? Except cooking?
Yes, ma'am. All around make.
All around. But, you mean all around, including cooking?
I'm cook, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Requested for me, my madam.
Okay. So, aside from that, household works and cooking. Okay, so you mentioned you have take care the kids, okay? So, what are the important things that you need to do when taking care of them?
Always, I see that baby girl
Okay.
and caring it's very important is food.
Okay, you prepare food for the kids. Okay.
Foods for
So,
kids.
do you also accompany them in going to school, their outside
Yes.
activities?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, during their free time, if they are not in the school, what are the activities that you suggest to do? So, do you play with them, sing,
Only
tutor, or you just take care of their needs?
they needs.
Okay, so you just take care of their needs and
If she want
prepare
food,
food. Okay.
I
Okay,
prepare all.
so are you good in cooking?
Madam told me
It's the
yes.
your
She always want to make my kabsa.
okay, so your madam likes your cooking skills and the
She's
dishes.
always told me, Leon, your cook is so very delicious. That's why I learned to cook the Arabic food.
Okay. So if we will be giving you a recipe, mostly when you are in Hong Kong, mostly the dishes are Chinese dishes. So can you follow the step by step of
Yes,
your
madam.
recipe?
I want to learn that.
You want to learn that, okay? So we also want to ask if you are okay to share room with the kids or elderly, or you preferred your own room.
Even both, madam.
What?
Both.
Both. Okay, you
Yes.
okay to share room and own. It's okay also own room. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. How about if you have a co-helper? I mean, you have there is another helper.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay for me.
Can you also promise us not to borrow money to your employer or any lending company in Hong Kong?
Yes, madam. I don't want to borrow or any kind of lending. That's
Okay.
why
Message for your future employer.
I will do my best to my new employer if I have. I will do my best. That's all.